Hello class, this is Dr. Forbes, and this video is about staying ahead of the AI curve. As you continue developing your skills within the current and emerging AI landscape, learn about the ways organizations have leveraged AI and consider how these innovations may inspire your own AI-powered workplace solutions. By the end of this module, you will develop a strategy to stay up to date with future AI developments. The learning objectives for this module are as follows. Develop strategies for staying knowledgeable about AI. Evaluate additional AI tools and their potential for future application in the workplace. Describe a variety of innovative ways AI has been integrated into the workplace and identify opportunities for leveraging AI in the workplace. For this module, there are 5 assignments. You're going to read and view the videos listed under instructional content. You're going to provide proof of tutor review for the report writing. Plan for future opportunities with AI. This is the report writing assignment. A discussion, and then in Coursera, Module 5 Challenge, which is the last challenge in the series that will lead you to your Google AI certificate. Instructions for report writing. Plan for future opportunities with AI. This activity is to help you practice using AI tools. To complete this activity, you'll write a report about how you will stay knowledgeable about AI and how you will leverage AI in your own workplace tasks. You will upload the finished product to the link in eCampus. In this activity, you'll write an action plan with details about how you'll stay knowledgeable about AI and how you'll leverage it in your own workplace tasks. After completing this activity, you'll be able to refer to this action plan for practical ideas about how you can further develop your skills in the area of AI. As AI advances and your understanding grows, you can adapt this action plan to include new goals. What you will do: reflect on what you've learned about using AI in the workplace, and then create an AI action plan to continue learning. The materials needed are the AI action plan template, and we'll look at this template in just a minute when we finish the instructions. Step 1 in the template is to answer the reflective questions. In the reflective questions section of the AI Action Plan template, consider what you've learned from this course and the actions you plan to take to continue learning about AI and applying it in the workplace. The reflective questions section of the AI Action Plan template is broken down into 3 categories: resources and networking, tools, and workplace applications. Answer the questions in each of these categories. You may want to go back to previous sections in this course for a reminder of what you've learned. If you took notes while learning, you may want to reference those too. Step 2, determine next steps. In the next steps section of the AI Action Plan template, set specific goals to continue developing your AI skills. Review your responses to the reflective questions and identify at least 3 specific actions you will take next. Also, determine a time frame for each action. Step 3 is to write the report. Be sure to address the following components in your completed activity. In the resources and networking section, identify at least 3 sources that can be used to stay informed about AI. Include 3 research sources from the Dallas College Library databases to support the argument. In the Tools section, identify the types of AI tools that could be leveraged in the workplace, as well as a particular AI tool to evaluate. In the Workplace Applications section, identify specific opportunities to leverage AI in the workplace. Here is a YouTube video showing you how to set up the format of your report in APA style. Guidelines for using AI in writing your report. Generative AI tools can assist you in crafting professional and polished writing. However, using AI should be approached responsibly and ethically to maintain academic integrity and develop your skills as a writer. Follow these guidelines to ensure appropriate use of AI tools for this assignment. Acceptable uses of AI include brainstorming ideas. Use AI to generate potential topics, examples, or ideas for your report. For example, you can ask for examples of challenges related to AI in healthcare or suggestions for ethical AI practices. Refining language and style. Use AI to help polish your writing by rephrasing sentences, improving grammar, or enhancing clarity. Structure and format assistance. Ask AI for advice on organizing a report or formatting specific sections, such as the introduction or recommendations. Fact-checking or generating references. AI can suggest sources or verify general concepts, but always cross-check AI-generated content with credible references. Prohibited uses of AI. Full automation of the assignment. Do not rely on AI to write the entire report. This assignment is designed to develop your technical writing skills, and over-reliance on AI undermines its objective. Plagiarism or misrepresentation. Avoid submitting AI-generated content without proper editing or attribution. Your work must reflect your own ideas, even if AI tools assist in the process. Uncritical use of AI-generated content. AI can produce incorrect or biased information. Always verify facts, examples, and claims with credible sources before including them in your report. How to acknowledge AI use. If you use AI tools in your work, include a brief note at the end of your report and a footnote or an appendix acknowledging how you used AI. For example, this report was written with assistance from, and you would name our AI tool, which is Google Gemini, which was used to brainstorm ideas and refine language. At the end of that statement, you tell the reader how you used AI in this report. Best practices for ethical and effective use. Be specific with prompts. Provide clear and detailed instructions when asking AI for help. For example, instead of asking, write a report, ask, suggest examples of ethical challenges related to AI in education. Edit and customize AI-generated content. Use AI suggestions as a starting point. Then revise them to reflect your voice, ideas, and the assignment requirements. Cross-check all information. AI-generated facts or examples may not always be accurate. Validate any claims with trusted and verifiable sources. Consequences of misuse. Failure to adhere to these guidelines may result in academic penalties, including reduced marks or a failed assignment. Misrepresenting AI-generated content as entirely your own work is a violation of academic integrity policies. By following these instructions, you can responsibly and effectively use AI as a tool to enhance your writing while ensuring that your report remains original, ethical, and reflective of your skills. Now let's look at the action plan template. Remember, the first thing you need to do with the template is to always click Use Template. This will put the template in your Google Drive. And it has already named it for you, and it has saved it to your drive. So the reflective questions on resources and networking ask you how you will stay informed about AI as it continues to develop. Identify at least 3 sources you'll use. Include goals for how often you'll engage with these sources. Note, You can include resources that you plan to review, such as the ones mentioned in this course or other AI-focused resources relevant to your industry or career. You can also include any networking opportunities that give you the opportunity to discuss AI with others. In the Tools section, what types of tools could you leverage in the workplace? Check all that apply, and then add any relevant notes about how these tools might be useful to you. Then, what is one particular AI tool that you are most interested in evaluating next? In the Workplace Applications section, it asks you to talk about the explored examples of how to leverage AI in the workplace. Which of these applications seemed transferable to your own work? Describe at least one of these examples and explain how you might apply something similar in your workplace. Consider the tasks that you perform on a daily basis. How might you leverage AI when completing these tasks? Identify at least one possibility. Is there a part of your workflow that is challenging? If applicable, identify how you might leverage AI to make this work easier. Next steps. Set specific goals to continue developing your AI skills. Review your responses to the reflective questions and identify at least 3 specific actions you will take next. Also, determine a time frame for each action. You can continue to come back to this list to add new goals. Then once you have completed your AI action plan, then on the last page, you want to include references. These will include the 3 references that you are required to use. Be sure to cite these in APA format. All right, so once you've finished your report, then you will go to File, Download. You can download it as Microsoft Word or PDF. And this is what your file would look like in PDF format. All right, so that is the instructions for the report writing. Let's go to the next. Here you're asked to send this assignment to tutor.com to be reviewed before submitting for a final grade. This is an ungraded activity, but one that's required before the final grade for the assignment will be assessed. If you don't know how to use tutor.com, then there is a link in our table of contents called Textbook and Tutoring. There is a video there that shows you how to use tutor.com for Dallas College. This is where you're going to upload the final copy of your report. You'll upload either your Microsoft Word or your PDF file here. There is a discussion, and the prompt is, the rapid evolution of AI is transforming industries, including technical writing. Tools like AI-based documentation generators, content management systems, and chatbots are changing how writers create, manage, and deliver content. To remain competitive and relevant, technical writers must adapt and stay ahead of the AI curve. Consider the following questions for discussion. What are some opportunities and challenges? And you'll answer these questions. What are the essential skills for the future? And you'll answer those questions. What are our adaptation strategies? What steps can students and professionals take to stay informed about AI advancements? How can technical writers advocate for ethical and responsible use of AI in their field? The activity is for you to identify one AI tool or technology that is currently used in technical writing, either to automate documentation or AI-powered editing tools. You're going to research its features and discuss how it can enhance or challenge the role of a technical writer. Suggest one strategy for staying ahead of the AI curve, such as attending workshops, learning AI-related software, or developing complementary skills like UX writing or data visualization. And here are the guidelines for participation, the goals for discussion, and how it will be graded.